This may seem like a silly video, but here's how you use an ice scraper, okay? All right, you got that side and this side. This window is solid ice. It's rained and then it froze. So this window is solid ice. Now, what you do is you take this part here, these teeth, and you have to make an area for the flat part to get in there. So what you're doing, you're using the teeth side, and you leave it kind of tilted back, and the teeth side then can dig in there so that the actual scraper part can get to you. So let's see if we can do this. I can do this right here. So we're gonna take this. It's dug through there now. Now you're gonna go this way, opposite direction. That's how you use. That's how you do that. So again, use the teeth one direction, and then once you get down to the glass, you use the flat spot the other direction. And this is really thick ice, but you see how that went through there. And then of course, use your defroster. So see, that's solid, you can't get through there. Now we're gonna use this here. Since this works. Okay, knocked out the chisel, the parts, and then you do this. So that's how you use an ice scraper. Hope that helps.